Ever get that nagging feeling that you're being played the second you step into an airport? You're not imagining it. Airports are masterfully designed environments, and every single detail from the floor beneath your feet to the signs above your head is engineered to subtly guide your decisions, your path, and most importantly, your wallet. They have a playbook, and today I'm giving you a copy. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on 11 secret flight hacks that airlines and airports desperately hope you never discover. These aren't your typical pack light tips. These are the game-changing strategies that separate rookie travelers from seasoned pros. And you'll definitely want to stick around for the end, because tip number 11 reveals the hidden dangers of putting your bag under the seat in front of you. Yes, exactly where they tell you to put it. Trust me, what you'll learn might just change how you fly forever. Number 1. The hotel shuttle escape. Rideshare apps like Uber and Lyft often slap you with a secret airport premium. A hidden fee that can add a surprising amount to your fare simply because you are on their property. Add in the chaotic pickup zones and long waits and your convenient ride is anything but. Here's the pro move. Spot the free shuttle buses for nearby airport hotels. They run constantly, and nobody is checking if you have a room key. Just hop on a shuttle to a major hotel like a Marriott or a Holiday Inn. Once you're comfortably in their well-lit, calm lobby, call your rideshare from there. You'll dodge the airport search charge, avoid the chaotic pickup madness, and often get a car much faster because you're away from the congestion. It's safer, cheaper, and brilliantly simple. Number 2. The VIP security line you didn't know existed. The long snaking security line is the stuff of travel nightmares. But what if you could just walk past it for free? Many major airports now offer a reserve program that lets you book a specific time slot for security. The day before your flight, you go to the airport's website, pick a time, and they email you a QR code. When you arrive, you head to a special designated lane, scan your code, and breeze right through. Airports in Orlando, Seattle, Amsterdam, and London are already doing this, yet it's still flying completely under the radar. Why? The fewer people who know about it, the more exclusive and effective it remains. Search your airport's name, plus reserve security, and see if you can skip the biggest headache at the airport. Number 3. The left lane mind trick. This is a psychological cheat code for cutting your wait time. When faced with multiple security lanes, the vast majority of people, especially in countries where you drive on the right, will instinctively drift to the right side queues. It's a subconscious bias. The result? The lanes on the far left are almost always shorter and faster. Airport insiders and frequent flyers swear by this. Next time you approach security, pause for a second. Resist the herd mentality pulling you to the right. Skin all the way to the left. 9 times out of 10, you'll find the hidden fast lane. If you're already finding these tips useful, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I share secrets like these every week to help you travel smarter. And I'd love for you to join our community of savvy travelers. Number 4. Stop trusting the airline and track your own bag. That heart-sinking feeling at the baggage carousel as the last bag goes by is preventable. Airline tracking systems are notoriously slow and often inaccurate. The solution? Become your own baggage detective. For about $30, you can get an Apple AirTag or a Samsung Smart Tag. Slip it into your checked luggage. Now, using your phone, you have a real-time map showing you exactly where your bag is. Is it still on the tarmac at your departure airport? You'll know. Is it on the other side of the terminal? You can literally walk over and find it. It's the ultimate peace of mind and the best travel investment you will ever make. Number 5. The psychological traps of airport design. Ever notice how after security, the hard, noisy tile floors suddenly change to soft, quiet carpet? That's intentional. The carpet is designed to calm you, slow you down, and put you in a relaxed, safe state of mind, which also happens to be a shopping state of mind. The lighting gets warmer. The walkways deliberately snake you through the duty-free shops, and you might even smell the scent of vanilla or fresh coffee being pumped into the air to make you feel more comfortable and willing to spend. Once you see these subtle tricks, you can unsee them. You're not just walking to your gate. You're being guided through a carefully crafted retail experience. Number 6, disinfect your luggage wheels. This one is simple but crucial. Think of every surface your luggage. Wheels roll across. Public bathroom floors, sticky food court spills, oil-slick tarmacs, and grimy city sidewalks. Then you will that suitcase right onto your clean bedroom carpet at home. It's disgusting. Keep a small pack of disinfectant wipes in an outer pocket of your suitcase. Before you put your bag in your car or wheel it into your home, take 30 seconds to wipe down the wheels. You're stopping a cocktail of invisible germs from invading your personal space. Number 7, the duty-free myth. Duty-free sounds like a guaranteed bargain. It rarely is. Airports know travelers are a captive audience, either excited for a vacation or looking for a post-flight reward. They often inflate the base price of items like perfume, liquor, and electronics. So, even after the tax-free discount, you could be paying more than you would at a regular store online. Before you buy anything, take 10 seconds to pull out your phone and do a quick price check. More often than not, you'll find that the deal is nothing more than a marketing illusion. Number 8, the ultimate in-flight sleep combo. Forget expensive sleeping pills that leave you groggy. Try this: natural, surprisingly powerful duo, Valian root, and an ASMR audio track. Valian is a gentle natural herb, known for promoting relaxation and easing anxiety. Perfect for nervous flyers. You can get it in tablet or tea form. Pair that with a downloaded ASMR playlist on your phone. The soft whispering, gentle tapping, or rain sounds create a sensory cocoon that blocks out the drone of the engine and crying babies. Take the Valian about an hour before you want to rest. Put on your headphones and let your brain peacefully drift off. Number 9, never put your full address on your luggage tag. This is an outdated and dangerous piece of advice. A luggage tagged with your home address is a public announcement to anyone who sees it that your house is currently empty and you are far, far away. It's a security risk. Instead, list only your name, your email address, and your cell phone number. That's all an airline or a Good Samaritan needs to contact you. For even better security, use a smart tag with a QR code that links to your contact info digitally, keeping your private life private. Number 10, fly early to erase delays. The secret to a smooth, stress-free travel day is booking the first flight out in the morning. Air traffic works like a chain of dominoes. A single delay at 9 a.m. can cause a cascade of disruptions throughout the entire day. But the first flights of the morning almost always use planes that arrive the night before and are ready to go. You get less air traffic, cleaner planes, emptier airports, and a significantly lower chance of delays or turbulence as most bad weather develops in the afternoon. Waking up at 4 a.m. is a small price to pay for a day without travel chaos. And that brings us to our final, most important tip. Before I reveal it, I want to know your travel stories. Let me know in the comments what's the best airport you've ever been to and what made it so great. I love hearing about amazing travel spots. Number 11. The real reason to never stow your bag under the seat. We've all been conditioned to do it, but storing your bag on the floor is a triple threat. First, hygiene. The floor of an airplane is a wasteland of germs, spilled food, and grime from hundreds of shoes. It's one of the dirtiest surfaces on the plane, and you're pressing your personal bag right into it. Second, theft. On overnight flights, it's shockingly easy for someone in a nearby seat to slightly reach down and slide a bag out from under the seat of a sleeping passenger. Your valuables are a vulnerable, easy target. And third, you're sacrificing your own legroom and comfort, which is already a precious commodity. The pro-level solution. If you need items during the flight, pack them in a small separate pouch or packing cube. Keep that small pouch with you and place your main backpack or carry-on securely in the overhead bin. You'll stay cleaner, safer, and far more comfortable.